Hello friends, welcome to a new quiz. The topic here is prepositions. So today we will solve a quiz on prepositions. The rules are 25 questions will be given, 4 options for each question, 5 seconds to answer each question. Before starting the quiz, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So first question is, he is famous dash his acting skill. Answer is 4. The gift was given dash my best friend. Answer is by. We waited dash the bus stop for an hour. Correct answer is at. She put the documents dash the table. And the answer is on the table. They are worried dash their exams. Answer is worried about their exams. The car stopped dash the traffic light. Answer is stopped at the traffic light. He is angry dash his brother. And the answer is with his brother. The teacher explained the topic dash the students. To the students. The dog is hiding dash the sofa. Under the sofa. The child was sitting dash his mother. Answer is next to his mother. We traveled dash plane. Answer is by plane. He borrowed a book dash the library. Answer is from the library. She is very proud dash her achievements. Answer is proud of her achievements. I will be there dash 5 minutes. Answer is in 5 minutes. They walked dash the bridge. Correct answer is over the bridge. She prefers coffee dash tea. Answer is 2. I saw him standing dash the door. Answer is at the door. The pen is dash my bag. Answer is in my bag. He is addicted dash video games. Correct answer is addicted to. We are looking forward dash the holidays. Answer is 2. He was punished dash his mistakes. Answer is 4. The train arrived dash time. Answer is on time. She glanced dash the newspaper. Answer is at. We were sitting dash the shade of a tree. Correct answer is under. The students were divided dash 4 groups. Answer is in 2.